kids! We're so happy you're here!
Hi everyone, come join the fun!
Hey! Hello kids, it's time to play! Boys oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Boys oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Girls oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Girls oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
In and then.
Oh yeah!
Ndewo. Aha m bụ Chisom Nicholas. Abụ onye Igbo. Achọrọ m ịgụpụtara ọnụ ahịrịokwu. Achọrọ m ịṅụ oroma mmanya. I want to drink orange juice. Achọrọ m sie osikapa. Achọrọ m isi osikapa. I want to cook rice. Achọrọ m rie anụ ewu. I want to eat goat meat. Achọrọ m rie osikapa. I want to eat rice. Achọrọ m achịcha ekwe. Achọrọ m achịcha bekee. Apụ. Achọrọ m sie egusi. Egusi. Achọrọ m udara. Achọrọ m rie udara. I want to eat cherry. Done.
I call me after.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Aha m bụ Chizikọrọ Okosa. Anyị bụ Igbo. Achọrọ m ịkpụpụtara ụlọ ahịrịokwu. Achọrọ m ihu mmiri. Achọrọ ihu mamịrị. That is, I want to drink water. The first one is I want to drink water. Second one is that I want to use the toilet. Achọrọ m ịsa akwa. That is, I want to wash clothes. Second, the next one is achọrọ m ịga.
Because it's an Igbo presentation, there is nothing like the next one. Because of good. And that's why I gave you an option of saying, nke mbụ, nke abụọ, nke atọ, that's using Igbo numbers. But if you don't know how to use the Igbo numbers, you can say, because of achọrọ. Okay? And don't say two things and you need to start giving us the translation in English. When you say the first one, you give the translation so that you don't confuse the audience. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mamịrị. I want to pee. Okay? Good. So there's nothing like the next one. Don't bring it in English with an Igbo presentation. Are you good? You don't see? Ndewo. Yeah.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Aha m bụ Chizikọrọ Okosa. Abụ m Igbo. Achọrọ ịgụpụta ụlọ ahịrịokwu. Achọrọ ihu mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ ihu mamịrị. I want to urinate. Achọrọ ịsa akwa. I want to wash clothes. Achọrọ ịga akwụkwọ. I want to go to school. Achọrọ zụta osikapa. I want to buy rice. Achọrọ desa ekwentị. I want to drop my phone. Daalụ.
Very good. Yes.
Ndị Igbo kekwa m. Abatara m na Igbo Summer Camp ka Kpakpando Language Hub. Abụ m onye Igbo. Aha m bụ Chioma Ikemvili Nwokocha. Abụ m onye Anambra. Achọrọ m igwupụta ahịrịokwu. That means I want to take sentences in Igbo. Achọrọ m anụ. That means I want to meet. Achọrọ m ọzụzụ. That means I want to know. Achọrọ m akwụkwọ. That means I want my book. Achọrọ m ochiche. That means I want ochiche. Achọrọ m achịcha. That means I want bread. Achọrọ m ekwentị. That means ekwentị m. That means I want my phone. Achọghị m nkịta. That means I don't want dog. Achọghị m ezi. That means I don't want to speak. Achọghị m saa efefe. That means I don't want to wash plates. Daalụ.
Stop. Ready? Otu. Bido. Ndewo.
Aha m Chidera Nicholas. Abụ m onye Igbo. Achọrọ m ịgụpụtara ọnụ ahịrịokwu. Aha m bụ Idesa Akwa. Achọrọ m Idesa Akwa. I want to keep my clothes. Achọrọ m Itola. Yeah, I want to return it. Achọrọ m ịza ekwentị. I want to answer the call. Achọrọ m ichere. I want to wait. Achọghị m iwere ya. I don't want to take this. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. I want to run. Achọghị m ịgba egwu. I don't want to dance. Daalụ.
All right. Call on my also. Thank you. If you be seated on this seat as the panel of judges and the chief judge, who amongst you had the best of representation? The contest. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Okay, you want to do well. Okay? I must commend your performances of most The reason is because we started hesitation. Ndị Igbo ga-ekwanụ for all of your judgment on day. So you always learn how to do something differently. Because sometimes we do say anything and expect different results. You understand? You must learn to be different. That's what distinguishes you among 1,000 persons. During my university days, I made a first class, and I was the best academic student in my faculty. Why? I distinguished myself among 3,000 students in the faculty of education. I just told you that the students that I teach in my school, I don't just teach them the subject. I teach them self-confidence and boldness. And I teach them act of public speaking. You will look into your eyeball and tell them what you want to tell you, and nothing will happen. That's what Igbo people